Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel for nurses preparation. I am Neeraj Kumar Kathal. This is class number 19. In today's class, we are discussing about important points from blood and blood disorders. This is part 1. This video is very helpful for all type of nursing recruitment exams 2020. Let's begin. Largest WBC type is monocyte. Its diameter 14 to 18 micrometers. The nucleus of monocyte is like kidney or horseshoe shaped structure. Megaloblastic or macrocytic anemia is due to the deficiency of folic acid and vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 also known as cyanocobalamin. Hodgkin's disease is the malignant tumor of lymphatic tissue like lymphocytes and lymph nodes. 5. Normal cholesterol level up to 200 mg per dl. Bilirubin's formula is C33H36O6N4. Red blood corpuscles is also known as erythrocyte. Normal count of RBC in man average 55 lakh cells per ml and in women average 45 lakh cells per ml. Antiserum contains antibodies for specific antigen. Normal serum bilirubin level 0.5 to 1.5 mg per dl. Vitamin K is also known as anti-hemorrhagic factor. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting. Vitamin K deficiency causes increased clotting time. Vitamin K is also essential for the synthesis of clotting factor number 2, 7, 9 and 10. Important. Sickle cell anemia is a point mutation inherited disorder. In this, abnormal globin protein chain is formed. Sickle cell anemia is a point mutation inherited disorder. In this, abnormal globin protein chain is formed at 6th position of beta chain of globin protein in hemoglobin. In sickle cell anemia, glutamic acid is replaced by valine at 6th position of beta chain of globin protein in hemoglobin. Let's understand this condition with the diagrammatic representation. This is the hemoglobin cell of a normal person. In this hemoglobin atom, beta chain of globin protein is there. At the 6th position of this beta chain of globin protein, glutamic acid is found. In the person with sickle cell anemia, this glutamic acid is replaced by the valine. This is the cell of the sickle cell anemic patient. In this, beta chain of globin protein is there, and at the 6th position, in place of glutamic acid, valine is present. This is the cause of sickle cell anemia. Next is bone marrow aspiration is definitive diagnostic test for leukemia. Bone marrow aspiration is definitive diagnostic test for leukemia. Normal hemoglobin values in gram per dl. At the time of birth, the normal hemoglobin value is 25 gram per dl. At 1 year of age, the normal hemoglobin value is 17 gram per dl. In adult male, 15, adult female 14.5. 1,50,000 to 4,50,000 cells per mm cube. Thrombocytopenia. Thrombocytopenia is a condition in which platelet count decreases. Thrombocytosis. Thrombocytosis is a condition in which platelet count increases. Thrombocytopathy. Thrombocytopathy is a condition in which deficient function of platelet occurs. Platelets are also known as thrombocytes. Thalassemia disease is also known as Culay's anemia or Mediterranean anemia. It is due to defective alpha and beta hemoglobin polypeptide chain. Hemophilia is an inherited sex-linked recessive bleeding disorder. Hemophilia is inherited sex-linked recessive bleeding disorder. Albumin. Albumin is the smallest and most numerous protein found in blood. Albumin maintains oncotic pressure of blood. Leukocytosis. Leukocytosis means increased WBC count, more than 11,000 cells per mm cube. Leukocyte means white blood corpuscles or WBC. Neutrophil increase in acute bacterial infection and inflammation. In a person, if acute bacterial infection occurs, in the blood reports, neutrophil count is found increased. Monocyte increased in chronic infection. Lymphocyte cell count increased in viral infection. Eosinophil increase in allergic disorders like asthma. Swimming is safe for hemophilia patient. Contact sports like hockey, football, cricket, etc. are advised to avoid by hemophilia patients. Reed-Sternberg cells is present in Hodgkin's disease. This is a classic characteristic hallmark of Hodgkin's disease. Asphyxia. Asphyxia is a condition caused by insufficient intake of oxygen. Hypoxia or anoxia. It is lack of oxygen in body tissue. Hypoxia or anoxia condition occurs due to lack of oxygen in body tissue. Hypoxemia. Hypoxemia is a condition due to decreased oxygen level in bloodstream. Let's have a quick revision of 13 blood clotting factors. First, fibrinogen. Second, prothrombin. Third, tissue factor also called thromboplastin. Fourth is calcium. Fifth is labile factor. Factor number 6 in blood clotting is absent. Factor number 7 also called stable factor. Factor number 8 anti-hemophilic factor A. Factor number 9 Christmas factor also called anti-hemophilic factor B. Factor number 10 Stewart power factor. Factor number 11 also called plasma thromboplastin antecedent or anti-hemophilic factor C. Factor number 12 is Hodgman factor. Last blood clotting factor number 13 is fibrin stabilizing factor. Friends, please click upon the like button. Thank you. Warfarin is an anticoagulant medicine. Warfarin blocks synthesis of vitamin K. Aspirin binds irreversibly to platelets and inhibit platelet aggregation and causes increased bleeding time. Never give aspirin medicine in a person who is taking warfarin drug because it can cause bleeding. Antigens caged or trapped by lymph nodes and destroyed by the macrophages by direct phagocytosis process. Antigens are caged by lymph nodes and destroyed by macrophages by the process phagocytosis. Blood is a buffer solution. RBC's lifespan in fetal 80 days, in adult 120 days. Agranulocytosis is a condition that is also known as granulocytopenia. In this, deficiency or absolute absence of granulocytic WBC occur. Examples of granulocytic WBC are basophils, eosinophils, neutrophils. Vitamin C rich food like lemon and orange increase iron absorption. So friends, these are the important points from blood and blood disorders topic. I hope you enjoyed the video, learned so many things. If you think this video is helpful, then please click upon the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe our YouTube channel for nurses preparation for more such interesting videos. This video series part 2 uploaded very soon. Thanks for watching. All the best.